Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your life and health. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is a super duper treat for you because the all patterns are totally inspired and based on one embroidery stitch that is the most easiest, simplest and the most beautiful stitch, which is the lazy daisy stitch, lazy embroidery or daisy embroidery floral based patterns. These are the different names or terms that are being attributed to this one very beautiful, simple and easy beginner friendly stitch, that is lazy daisy. But before going into the further details, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like. So friends, all the designs are totally based on one hand embroidery stitch, and lazy daisy stitch is a stitch that is being in trend, in demand from the beginning of the art of hand embroidery. With this very beautiful design ideas, you are going to get creative and different perspectives of dress designing ideas. You can get borderline embroidery ideas for designing your sari pallus, for designing your shawl, the dupattas as well. You can get neckline beautiful embroidery ideas for designing the neckline of your shirt, kameez, kurti, gown, peplum and many more frocks and other type of kalidar and churidar dresses as well. You can also decor items like home decor, like bed sheet, table cover, cushion cover, pillow cover as well, along with these very beautiful arts of hand embroidery. Very beautiful floral patterns have been used, and those floral patterns could be used as an all over embroidery pattern for your dresses. You can also use very beautifully these simple and easy to make one embroidery stitch base hand embroidery ideas for designing your baby girl dresses. You can design your baby girl shirts, frocks, even you can embroider these very easy and simple patterns with the use of wool to embroider on your sweaters, hand knitted cardigan, ponchos or even hand knitted baby garments as well. So these are the different perspectives and ideas how you can use very beautiful and creative design ideas of lazy daisy stitch. And stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. Friends, we try our best to share creative and unique ideas with you to give a more creative, enhanced and formal look. Make the use of pearls in between the flowers to give a more creativity and more elegance and simplicity to your design. So I hope that you like the ideas. If you really like the ideas, then don't forget to leave comments below, because your comments are the only ways with which we get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, be happy and take care of others, and stay positive so that you could achieve all of your goals and motives.